Hey, it's day 2 at NRF. Welcome to our second instalment of the top technology highlights from the show. Today we'll be bringing you the latest retail trends that are making the customer journey much more seamless. Augmented reality and digital mirrors had perhaps struggled to prove their value within the retail customer journey in past years. This time at NRF, the technology has really advanced to prove its relevance within the beauty industry. In this example with L'Oreal, you can see how sophisticated the augmented reality technology has become, enabling the customer to try different makeup looks more easily and conveniently. She no longer needs to apply it and wipe it off to try another look. This would really suit duty-free counters in airports, where the customer usually has little time to find the right product. We were also impressed with the two-way digital mirror used for beauty tutorials. Not only does it show live demos to an audience on the other side, but it can record the entire makeover for the customer to access afterward. We've seen many payment providers at the show, and they're aiming to make the customer journey at the point of transaction a more frictionless process. One of these providers is FingoPay. The only touch point between the customer and completing their transaction is their finger.
Hi, I'm Nick Dryden from Starler Limited, and I am going to show you FingoPay. We are here at NRF on the WorldPay stand, where we are really introducing this for the second time to American retailers with great success. So what we built was a unified payment and loyalty data product. So it's identity in the cloud. And what we use is your finger vein pattern to identify you uniquely. This device here shines near infrared light, and I can identify you within 200 milliseconds. We then attach that to a payment instrument or a loyalty card, enabling a consumer just to purely shop using their fingers. Camden Town in London, I can go to a bar, buy a drink, and it will give me 10% cash back to my finger for the next time that I go. Key things are that it's fast, it's secure, it enables you to run instant and unified data and loyalty.
One of the main things is that with the technology, people are now, as opposed to talking about specific individual technologies, what we're seeing is the blending. So for example, the blending of AI and facial recognition. So a use case of that I saw was for cosmetics, or it might be something like Luxottica with glasses. So that's really interesting, because the significance of that, I think, is that it means that we're now getting real value for the consumer, as opposed to technology for technology's sake. Another thing which kind of sounds obvious, and I've touched on it already, is AI, artificial intelligence, and that really seems to be coming of age now, where it's embedded in solutions. And I think generally you talk to people at the show and they would say that without AI, you really haven't got retail. It's that key, it's that important. So I think what we'll see over the next year or two is that AI will become the platform on which retailers are able to deliver proper personalization. Another key trend that I've picked up is the role of the stores. Now, of course, as we know, stores are not dead. Yes, they're closing, but they certainly are not dead, and actually it's the opposite. They'll become far better. And there are two things there that's really interesting. One is frictionless and seamless shopping for consumers. So there's a lot of people here who are displaying solutions which make that from payments to scanning, to checkout, to inventory control, and the other side of that coin, that's making it easier for the store associate. So the role of the store associate is going to become very much more one of brand ambassador. That's going to be very exciting to see how that develops, and the role of automation also for the store associate. So a lot of scaremongering that loads of people are going to lose their jobs, far less jobs in retail, etc., etc. I'm not sure I agree with that. I think that what will happen is that the jobs that people have in retail will be far more fun and exciting. It's kind of a quick whistle-top tour of NRF and some of the main trends that I picked up on, and it'll be fascinating to be back here in 12 months' time and see what's actually come true.
Thanks for watching our top trends from day 2 at NRF. If you're interested in any of the solutions that we've been showing across the 2 days, get in touch with us at info@retail-assist.co.uk, and we'll see you next year. Thank you.